Hello and welcome to LTD Junkie, a podcast where I review the top lifetime deals and how they could benefit your business. My name is Mike, and I use my 18 years of experience in software and design to dig deep into each software platform. Thanks for joining us today. Hello again, junkies. In this episode, you are going to check out GeekLab, one of the deals currently running on AppSumo. So if you're new to LTD or lifetime deals and have just tuned into the show, think of it this way. Software used to be bought at a one-time price until companies have started their subscription prices to access this software. So LTDs are usually software as a service, SaaS, platforms offered at a one-time price for consumers. Okay, so let's get started. So GeekLab is actually an app optimization platform. So one of the use cases for this is to actually analyze your app's marketability. You can also do some research on the current apps that's currently in the app or Play Store, and you can do some surveys. So they have like a Lookalike Page for your app, so I'll show them in a while. Okay, so I got a campaign going on here. So if you're going to create a new project, okay, let's try to create a new campaign. Okay, so if you're going to create a new campaign, you can just click on this, search for any app. Let's say all of the mobile roller apps. Actually, you can distinguish it in here. That's on the App Store. This one is on Google Play. Okay. App Gallery is coming soon. So you can also filter by country. So let's say we add mobile roller. So GeekLab will try to retrieve the data for this app. So we're creating a new campaign. It's like a lookalike page. They call it a lookalike page. So this is the campaign name. This looks like the actual Google Play Store, but it's actually GeekLab. Okay, so this is the first variant. You can make several variations of this. So you can add or rather change the store language, the text in here, which it got from the Google Play Store, category, and then the visuals, it automatically retrieve it. Okay, so you can upload a preview video in here. So if you have a video available on your Play Store, GeekLab won't be able to retrieve it, so you probably have to upload it here. And then the text in here, what's new, ratings. So if your app doesn't have a rating in here, you can actually do some adjustments in here, like do some 5-star rating and so on and so forth. So basically you'd be able to have a lookalike page. They call it a lookalike page, and have user reviews in here, and customize in-app purchases, editorials, etc. And for the attributes, you can redirect it to the actual download, or you can select a survey. So let's say I have a survey in here, test survey, and it actually changes the final destination. So you can survey your customers. So once I save it, just click on submit. Oops, set your game app. So we have something that's not yet set. Hold on. Okay, visuals. So I guess that's one of the things that's not fully well. It's not as foolproof as others. So you have to select a project. Okay, so this is the test links. Okay, so yeah, so this one, this is the tracking link. So if you go to that particular site, so it actually somehow looks like a Google Play Store. Then once you click on install, so your destination is actually a survey. So we can actually edit it and do some variations in here, or change the end destination to the download. If you turn on the demographics, you'd be able to have, or rather additional questions in there, like the sexual representation of your audience. So let me just show you this one. Okay, so just copy the text. So once you click on install, it would redirect to the customer demographics in here. So gender, age. Once you click on it, then the actual survey, or you can redirect it to the download on the App Store or on the Play Store. So what else can you do with GeekLab? You can actually do some research. Let's say Lord's Mobile. Okay, so one of the games. Okay, so there's a lot. You can inspect it. You can add it to your list. So you'll be able to see the colors of the icon, some screenshots, keywords. Right, so you'll be able to do some research in here. So what else? You can analyze actually. So I have a list in here. Actually, it's just my app, but you can actually do, or rather add more apps in here. Okay, so since I've just published it, there's no statistics in here yet. Okay, so survey, that's the survey that we created. So it's just a simple survey in here. So they have a template, which is like this one. So this is their gamers motivation survey. So they call it a gamers motivation survey. Okay, so that's just basically a form. And then currently in beta Asset Lab, so I hope they make it like a somewhere we can design screenshots, because I think that's badly needed by anyone publishing apps. So if you're not a designer, it would be a great addition to GeekLabs in here for their Asset Lab. Right now it's not really working right now, so it's actually in beta. So yeah. And Audience Lab, it's still also under development, so you'd be able to launch ad campaigns on Facebook. Initially for Facebook, I think it's only for Facebook. And so for this one, you can actually manage your team. So you can have team members in here, and attribution. Okay, so you can have user pics on the, okay, so you can basically to pixel them, your audience. Okay, API access, I have no APIs as of today, and basically that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and the link to the deal is in the description. See you again, junkies. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and be sure to subscribe to our podcast to get notified of the newest software on lifetime deal. Follow us on social media or subscribe to our newsletter. See you later, junkies!